Hello, this is our 2019 Mercedes-Benz E220d AVANTGARDE SE. So we just give you a look at the car and have a little walk down along the driver's side here. Showing you the 17-inch alloys there, and they're AVANTGARDE alloys because they're the 5-spoke alloy. You'll notice the chrome trim at the bottom of the doors here. The car is finished in a brilliant black metallic. The car is in exceptional condition. Again, from the exterior, you'll notice the chrome diffusers, another notary of the AVANTGARDE model. And a look at the cavernous boot of the E220. This car has both front and reversing radar. Road tax is $270 per year. Is on there at the moment, which is permanent. So this car has a beautiful hazelnut brown leather interior, really nice, and as you can see it has the panelled leather throughout. Also has a pull down armrest with double cup holder. You have ISOFIX on either side of the car, and you also have your own air supply to the rear. Again, you can see the hazel coloured seats in the front. Both front seats are electric and both are heated. You have a central armrest. Good kidney support here on the driver's seat and on passenger seat. One of the really nice features of this car is the aluminium finish, the brushed aluminium finish from the door card straight into the dash here. And you'll also notice that there's a lovely ambient blue light going along there as well. Goes right across the car and into the driver's door as well. There are several different drive positions between Eco, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. The car has a long list of features including colour reversing camera and, as I said earlier, radar all around the car. You also have Bluetooth, cruise control, flappy paddle gearbox, automatic headlights and automatic wipers. So that's our 2019 Mercedes-Benz E220d AVANTGARDE SE. If you have any further inquiries in this car, please do give us a call on 091 383000. And thanks for watching.